Hello, today in front of me I have TCL Tab 10, and in this video we would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. First of all, swipe downwards from the top part of your screen in order for the notification and control center to appear. Next, locate the Wi-Fi shortcut, tap and hold on it. Choose what network you would like to share the password of. I'll go with this one. At the network details page, tap on the share icon, and in here we'll get the actual Wi-Fi network password right below the QR code, and you can either manually enter it or scan the QR code itself. So in front of me I have another device, which is the Nokia Android smartphone. In order for me to scan this generated QR code, I'll go ahead and open up the built-in camera Google Lens, scan the code. Next, in your case as well, the join network button gotta appear, but let me fix one thing real quick. Already. So now once I have the internet connection, yep, this QR code gets scanned. So tap on the join network button, and as you will see now, our Nokia smartphone will be successfully connected to the HardReset.Info 5G network. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.